So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. You try to open FaceApp and instead of your photo library you get an error message about your device not certified. This is a particularly frustrating error because it suggests there is something wrong with your phone itself. So this error is much more common on Android devices than iPhones. It usually means that your device hasn't passed Google's safety net or Play integrity certification. Well, this can happen if you are using a custom ROM, if your bootloader is unlocked, if you have an basically certified Chinese brand phone, or if you are running an older version of Android that no longer meets security requirements. So FaceApp uses these security checks to verify that your device is secure and not modified in ways that would compromise the app or user data. The good news is that there are several ways to fix this. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, try to go and update your device's software. Sometimes device not certified error simply means your OS is outdated. Go through settings and look if there is any system update that you should do. Then go to Play Store to look for the certification status. For example, I opened the app, everything's looking fine. That means you are certified. If you can download and open the app from here, it's fine also. Also look if there is any update available for the app itself. If you can find the update button, tap it, wait a couple seconds, then you can reuse the app. So that's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.